guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be opening cars again. The first car we're going to be opening is a HotWeiler. So what I like about this car is that it has like a chain and the mouth thing goes up when you're driving it, and it kind of looks like a dog or something, and for the windows they're like eyes, and it's like a truck and like the wheels. And it looks like one of my favorite YouTubers. The next car we're going to be opening is a Gru Mobile from Despicable Me. So what I like about this car, it has the thrusters and two holes in the bottom, and it has a top thing to see. And I like how it's gray. The last car we're going to be opening is Back to the Future Time Machine Hover Mode. And it's from Back to the Future. So what I like about this car is that it looks like these are the real wheels. And the real wheels are right here. And it looks like it's hovering, and it's from one of my favorite movies. And it has like the back thruster things. And yeah. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and turn on the post notifications and subscribe. Bye!